The world of portable cameras is about to experience a revolutionary shift in 2025 with the highly anticipated release of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Building upon the already impressive legacy of its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3, this next-generation device promises to redefine what a pocket-sized videography tool can do. Whether you're a professional content creator or simply a casual user, the Osmo Pocket 4 is set to raise the bar and take your creative projects to new heights. Let's dive into what makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 a game-changer in the world of action cameras, highlighting its exceptional features, design updates, performance improvements, and much more. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 retains the iconic compactness that has made the series so popular, while introducing subtle yet significant design upgrades. Slightly larger than its predecessor, it measures 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters and weighs only around 125 grams. The increased size allows for the incorporation of more advanced hardware without compromising the camera's portability. It's still small enough to fit comfortably in your pocket. A major design improvement is the rumored 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, offering a resolution of 480 by 800 and an impressive brightness of 800 nits. This makes the screen much more visible, even under direct sunlight, and ensures that users can effortlessly adjust settings or frame their shots with clarity. The enhanced ergonomics of the grip and control buttons also make the camera more comfortable to handle, whether you're vlogging on the go or filming a cinematic masterpiece. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 is a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, an incremental upgrade from the previous model's already capable sensor. This enhanced sensor promises sharper, more detailed images with improved performance in low-light conditions, combined with a 20mm f2.0 lens. The camera ensures superior dynamic range and vibrant color reproduction, making each shot look stunningly realistic. For videographers, the Osmo Pocket 4 offers a remarkable leap in performance with the ability to record 4K video at an astonishing 240 frames per second, double the frame rate of the Pocket 3. This feature allows for incredibly smooth, slow-motion footage, opening up endless creative possibilities. Furthermore, the inclusion of 10-bit color modes such as D-Log-M and HDR gives creators greater flexibility in post-production, allowing them to capture scenes with more depth and detail. Known for its excellent stabilization, the Osmo Pocket series takes it up a notch with the Pocket 4. The camera boasts a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, providing rock-solid stabilization even during rapid movements like running, biking, or walking. This advanced stabilization system ensures ultra-smooth footage without the need for additional gear. The inclusion of ActiveTrack 7.0, an upgrade to DJI's tracking and autofocus technology, makes the camera even more reliable in dynamic filming conditions. With features such as phase detection and eye tracking, the Pocket 4 can follow fast-moving subjects with incredible precision, making it an ideal companion for action-packed shoots or vlogs featuring constant motion. DJI has always been attuned to user feedback, and the Osmo Pocket 4 seems to address several community requests. The new model is expected to support a broader range of accessories, enhancing its versatility. Whether it's an external battery pack for extended shooting sessions, a waterproof case for underwater adventures, or ND filters for optimal lighting control, the Pocket 4's expanded accessory ecosystem promises to elevate the shooting experience. The camera's audio capabilities are also set to improve, with a new integrated 3-microphone array designed to reduce wind noise and record high-quality stereo sound. This ensures clear and immersive audio, perfect for vlogs, interviews, or capturing ambient sound in your surroundings. Furthermore, the support for external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems will offer even more flexibility to creators. Battery life and charging speed are other areas where the Osmo Pocket 4 shines. While the Pocket 3 could record up to 166 minutes of 4K footage on a single charge, the Pocket 4 is expected to extend that to nearly 200 minutes, giving users more time to shoot without interruptions. Additionally, the camera's charging time is set to be faster, with an estimated full charge time of just 25 minutes when using DJI's PD charger. This makes the Pocket 4 a highly convenient choice for creators on the move, ensuring that they can keep their camera powered up for long shoots. Following DJI's traditional product cycle, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be released in late 2025, giving the company ample time to fine-tune the camera's features and launch a polished product. As for pricing, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely cost slightly more than its predecessor. While the Pocket 3 was priced at $539 for the standard edition and $689 for the Creator Combo, early estimates suggest that the Pocket 4 could be priced at $699 for the standard model and $799 for the Creator Combo, reflecting its enhanced features and premium positioning. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 set a high standard in the world of portable cameras with its 1-inch sensor, 4K recording at 120 FPS, and ultra-compact design. However, the Pocket 4 looks to take these features to the next level with an improved sensor, faster frame rates, and smarter autofocus technology, making it an enticing upgrade for those seeking cutting-edge performance. While the Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice for those who value affordability and immediate availability, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a worthy successor for those who are willing to wait for the next big leap in pocket camera technology. With its groundbreaking design, exceptional performance, and a host of exciting new features, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to be a standout addition to the world of portable cameras, cementing its place as the ultimate action camera of 2025. So, are you excited for the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4? What features are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this. Thanks for watching.